What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol LAC for Lithium America. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, big breakout on Friday's session, kind of breaking us out of this daily bull flag right here. Obviously, you can see down below as well, some solid increase in volume supporting that move higher, so you should have more confidence in it as opposed to less. Let's start by giving ourselves a daily roadmap, if you will, just coming in and pointing out the most obvious areas of support and resistance. Then we'll talk more nuance as we drill down to the 30-minute intraday time frame. So I like that. And let's go ahead and draw in this support trend line because this is, of course, relevant here. If there's a deeper pullback, I like that. And if we scrunch up the chart, is there anything off to the left that we have for highs to contend with? I just want to make sure I'm not, misinforming you here. Let's grab some more time. And no, it does not look like we have anything to really concern ourselves with. Overhead, I would be, comfortable saying here that we're moving into relatively uncharted territories, if not blue sky territories. All right. So let's start by, continue rather, by looking at the 30-minute. Well, the first thing I would point out is that breaking out of this range here has led to, like a momentum style move higher. There's a lot of energy that was pent up in this consolidation. So we are looking for upside follow through, noting that we have 40, the nice round psychological number overhead. That would make sense to me as a potential target into the upcoming week. In terms of pullbacks, and then after that, it's whole and half dollars. But in terms of pullback, what are the first healthy areas that we want to see the stock consolidate? If we do something like this, notice that the 38.2 is above the breakout point from in here, closer to that 35, 35.75-ish area there. But healthy consolidation, bull flag can be put in as long as we respect 36.32. So what we're going to do is just throw this level on like this and then remove the fibs. And I think it'll become very clear that we can give this one a little bit more wiggle room and say, as long as it really holds the breakout point here, that 35.70, things are fine essentially inside of LAC. From the daily chart, what that might look like would be a doji that forms here, could be a hammer candle, could be a number of things, right? Could be a fat bodied doji. If it turns into another daily flag consolidating above this prior congestion zone, then yes, we are looking for more upside here inside of the stock. If it's supported by more volume coming in as well, fantastic. As mentioned earlier, that's going to give you more confidence in the move as opposed to less. Now, if we break down underneath the breakout point, what are we watching out for? Quite simply, you need to be patient and wait for the support trend line, noting that we did make a new higher high. We can buy the support trend line if we start to see things that look like hammer candles down here, indecision doji candles, basically things that make you question, right? Is this pullback ending at the support trend line? Can we flip long over the highs and then make a new higher high for trend continuation? That's what I would watch out for here. So LAC in a nutshell does look good for some more upside. We have healthy consolidation areas, and if we break down underneath the support trend line, that's where I would be more patient and wait for a structural setup. Could be a double bottom off of this neckline break, could be an inverted head and shoulders. You get the gist, right? We would need some sort of pattern to be put into play before looking for a bottom if the support trend line does break. That's truly going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed it or learned anything new today, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.